All right, we are here with
Bill Schwefel.
And you just won. Which competition did you win this year?
This would be the under 200 category.
Under 200. All right. So how much did your project cost?
$191 for drivers and about $200 for the crossover and about $5 for lumber.
Okay.
Lumber and paint, $5.
All right, lumber and paint, $5. So what do you think was special? What inspired you to build this particular project?
I was just looking to do something to sound good and not cost very much money.
Okay. All right, and you managed to do it because everybody really seemed to like the sound. Do you think all the pieces just came together perfectly, or do you think it was planned that way from the beginning?
Some of both. It's basically the drivers that I chose, that Tectonic Elements 3-inch mid-range. There's something special about it. I used it in another speaker system, and it just really sounds great. It has very wide, broad, extended horizontal polar response. It mated very well with Dayton's. I used the AMT Mini 8 tweeter and 4.2 kilohertz crossover, and that worked out real good. I did on-axis and horizontal and vertical polar response, and as I moved the Omni mic around the room, the response stayed very flat horizontally, way out to like 90 degrees. Vertically up and down, there was no suck out, very flat, at the crossover frequency, and very extended. And I think a lot of people here today heard that, because no matter where you were sitting in the room, you pretty much heard the same thing. And they also seemed to image very well. I don't know why.
Luck of the draw this year?
Right. I mean, imaging is kind of a mystical thing where it just happens when you build a speaker, and you sit there and you don't know why, but everything kind of comes together, and that sort of happened to this, and I think a lot of people heard that, and
it all worked out for you. So did you see anything this year that would inspire you for a project next year?
Yes. I got some drivers, Tectonic, some Tang Band drivers that I bought and stuff, and also I picked up the new Dayton 2-inch dome mid-range and the Dayton 1-inch dome mid-ranges, and I got a project going with that. So.
All right, so we're going to see you back next year winning again.
Well, no, I don't know if I'm going to be winning. That.
You can do it, little engines.
That's a strange thing. Sometimes you set up a speaker and it just sounds great, or it sounds great at home, and you get it to a venue and it just falls on its face. And sometimes you get there and it's like magic. I don't know.
All right, well, we hope to see you back, and good luck next year.